Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by priming your hands and settings so movement tracking becomes predictable. First, lower input lag and pick a sensitivity that lets you turn 90 degrees with a comfortable wrist flick. Once done, reduce mouse accel and ensure consistent one input. Next, use a compact, high-contrast crosshair so the target stays visible while moving. Finally, warm up for 5-10 minutes on bots doing lateral strafes. This gets sensory timing synced to your aim, which matters for the shots that follow. You now practice continuous tracking while enemies move unpredictably. Focus on leading the target slightly in their movement direction and keep the crosshair on the torso to headline. This increases hit chance when movement changes. Use small, smooth horizontal micro-adjustments with your wrist and larger arm moves for long sweeps so your motion stays stable. Also, modulate peak speed. Slow pushes let you track, quick bursts let you tap. Make sure to combine both depending on engagement distance for reliable hits. You finish by executing clean shots and fixing problems if they arise. Apply counter-strafing. Release or tap opposite movement to briefly stop and land precise bullets, especially at mid-range. Layer tracking corrections using recoil pattern memory and footsteps to predict changes. When done, blend tapping into the track for burst damage. If results falter, verify DPI and polling, confirm monitor is at target HC, and remove frame drops by lowering settings. This single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.